Ho ho ho, December 22nd, a couple days before Christmas, and we're gonna look at the hive real quick and give them some food because we've had Armageddon flooding in this Ferric River. Oh, they still got a little bit left. Uh-oh. You just went in the pool. I'm gonna drop you on the bottom board. Ooh, I slipped, it's wet. Let you hang out here and let the ladies lick you off because you're covered with sugar water. It's like a 2-to-1. I got a bee on me. What you doing, girl? Anyway, that might be part of it. Crystallize it. Oh, there she just jumped down. What's wrong, girl? Yeah, they they polished it off at the end. Get their jungle gym out. Alright, let's put the jungle gym back down. Some Hive Alive. Anyway, so that's it for this, I think. Take a quick look inside, see how they're doing. Got a couple bees I'm gonna have to wrangle out of here. This is the no Badlands here, no bees land. Quick look, it's 67 degrees. Let's look real quick at headlamp. I might be able to put a little light on the subject here. This is the top box too, so there's some capped over. I don't know if they're harvested. That's capped. That's empty. This is one that was added late. So anyway, that's enough cat right now. Let's see if that Swiffer will get anything. Damn Swifters. So the next one I'm going to do in landscape, I really hate tick-tard mode. Vertical streams are not good for bees. Anyway, I'm going to come back, I'm going to do another video and it'll be in landscape, so it won't be in the chart area.